Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title you already know it's a brow tutorial. I'll be using this spoolie for my brows, then this classic brow pencil, then I also use this Zaron concealer in the shade Deep. It's a shade lighter than me. Then I'll use this Zickel foundation for this brow tutorial. So firstly I start by brushing up my brows. I start by brushing up my scanty brows. Guys, my brows are very scanty. They're not even curved. They're very scanty. So this is like the starting, the middle, and the end points of my brows. I start from the bridge of my nose. I start drawing a line from the bridge of my nose. I draw this line under my hairline. I draw it from the bridge of my nose to a point where I call my middle point, and from that middle point I go down to a point where I call my end point. This is the way I draw my own brows. It might not be the same for you. Then from the top line on top of my hairline, I don't start from the bridge of the nose. I just start away like a space, and when I get to my brow bone I go down. Just go down a bit from that space. I draw it from a space. I give a little space from the bridge of my nose. Then I start filling in from the tail of my brows. I just fill it in lightly. Just fill it in lightly and lightly. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and put on your notification bell to see my next videos. So guys, I just fill in lightly and slightly. Then I start drawing a line to form my hairline. I use my pencil to draw a fake hairline. That's what I call it. I call it a fake hairline. I just use my pencil to do a kind of fake hairline. And I still fill up the middle part and the tail of my brows. Then I start brushing up my brows with the bully. Try to follow my hair, brush my hair up. Try to follow my fake hairline, and I just brush everything up and make it nice, so I'll know the spaces to fill in more. I repeat what I do on this eye in the other eye. Try to fill it up. Just make sure you fill up the spaces in between your brows. With my angle brush and my Zaron concealer in the shade Deep, a shade lighter than my actual color, I just start concealing my brows. I start from my brow bone, and I just slightly follow the line I have drawn. Just slightly follow it with my angle brush, a flat angle brush. That's what I use. I use it to follow my line. I use it to follow the line I have drawn, and I try not to go into the line. Just trying to make the line have a perfect shape. After concealing my brow bone, I move slightly to the front, like I move slightly to the bridge of my nose, just following the same line which I have drawn. I equally try to use a flat brush to blend the concealer out a little before I'll go in with my blending brush later. Here I'm done concealing my two brows. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, after concealing the down part of my brows, I use my Zickel foundation in my actual shade to conceal the top of my brows. With the same angle brush, I move slightly on top of my brows, just trying to conceal the same way I've concealed the down part of my brows. In this part, I start from the front. Like I don't start from my brow bone. I start from the front to conceal. Then I move down, trying not to enter the the line which I've drawn with my brow pencil. That's basically it. Just trying to repeat what I did below my brows to the top of my brows. Try not to enter the line which I have drawn. Guys, you guys should subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, share my video to your friends, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and put on your notification bell so you won't miss out my videos. With my angle brush and my foundation, I try to create a fake space between the hairline. You know, the space between your hairline, I try to create it on my brows. Then I go back to my pencil and I try to fill up the space, because I know with the brush I must have done much space, so I try to use my pencil to fill up that space I created. So guys, basically I blend my concealer now. Just blend everything out. Blend my concealer, my foundation, blend everything for easy face work and eyeshadow application. So guys, I'm basically done with my brows. This is just the end of the tutorial. This is the way I draw my brows. This is my very easy way of drawing my brows. Yeah, it's easy to me. So guys, this is the end of this brow tutorial. Guys, if you want to see how I created this eye look, do check my next video next week. Yes, the video I'll be putting up next week is a tutorial or a trying out of the neon colors for this eye. So if you want to see it, check it out next week. Put on the notification bell so that you won't miss it. Just put on the notification bell. Then any other tutorial you guys want, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.